In today's video, I'll show you how to export your video or animation as a GIF. Let's get into it. Once your animation is ready and everything looks good, head to the top right corner and click the share button. From the menu, choose download. Now under file type, select GIF. This will automatically convert your project into a short, looping animation. You'll now see a size slider. You can use this to increase or decrease the resolution of your GIF. The higher size means better quality, but a larger file size, so choose what fits your needs. Below that, there's also a transparency checkbox. If your design has elements without a background and you want to keep it that way, go ahead and check this option. It's great for creating GIFs with transparent backgrounds for use on websites or overlays. Then, choose which pages or clips you want to export, either all of them or just the specific ones. Once everything is set, click download. Canva will process your design and your animated GIF will be saved directly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Canva project as a GIF with full control over its size and transparency. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Canva editing tips.